that's how I'm going at the inner right now. Fine. Practicing our body position over here. Alright, a little catching up to do here. Oh, never mind. Just right there. Oh, it's all good tree, no need to go there. Woo! Go down. Front brakes, just slightly. Rear brakes slightly. Woo. Oh, hold on. I don't know if we're gonna turn or not. Gotta catch up a little bit. That speed's freaking quick. I'm telling you, that shit got dyno too. I'll catch up though. I gotta slow down. Trying to catch up here. That speed's quick, bro. It got quicker. Since the last time I rode that. And of course, turn. Go outer. Look ahead. Look ahead. Enter. That's the apex. And right here, same thing too. You go outer. Look ahead. Look where you're going. Don't target this. What's it? Fixate. Go. Go ahead a little too slow. That's why we're going back before the apex right there, because we're going too slow. Anyways, outer. Look ahead. Stick to the outer. Then apex. Boom. Enter. Same thing too for the right hand. Going too slow, but it's fine. Outer. Look ahead. Apex, bam. I mean, I'm not a professional, guys, so don't take advice from me, okay? This is just my own experience. Over here, this there's not much degrees on that turn right there. I think it's a long straight coming up, if I remember. Long straight coming up where we can gun it. Hopefully, SV guns in here. We're gonna catch up. We're catching up already. Gotta slow down. Don't want to get too close. SV's quick though, holy shit. I swear that too freaking did something to that bike. God damn. So anyways, the other two buddies are up ahead already. I'm still over here stretching out my groin. Oh, right here we're just cruising, guys. We're chilling. Another turn. Go outer. Look ahead. Apex, boom. Apex Legends. Hey man, you guys play Apex Legends? I don't. Heard it was a good game though. Go here. Go outer. Yeah, look at those rocks. Going too slow over here, but you go outer. Then apex, boom. I got my hands on the brakes right here just in case. You see something on the road, you know, something can happen up front, you know, at least you can just react right away. Sometimes I don't have it because my hand is hurting. I don't want to say it's hurting, but you know, I feel a little bit discomfort, so that's why I bring it in. I try covering it for the most part. Yeah. Like right now, I'm gonna bring it in because I get a little fatigued. So I'll just give it in there for a sec. Woo! That's me doing good. just following. Stretch out my groin. I'm still doing that. Ooh. Yeah, as you can tell. These turns are really, how do you want to say this? These curves are long. They're not too sharp, so you can go really fast on these curves right here, these turns. And that's why I'm just saying, I think I'm in 6th gear. I think. Let's see. Not that I can't tell. Yep. 6th gear. I want to buy that gear indicator because, man, I still can't tell sometimes. Oh man, look at this view, but I don't want to look. I gotta focus. You know we're not going fast. Damn, there are dots over there. My buddies, they're dots. It's about, what, a mile? They're like about a mile, maybe a mile and a quarter away. Ooh, look at that. Look at those mountains. Damn. Woo. The big freaking farm right here. I have to go into, where is it at? I'm anticipating it. Coming up though. Wait, did we pass it already? I think it's the next one. Still recording. Oh, there's a lot of freaking monsters down the road. Don't want to go too fast over here. We're gonna wait what's up to him. Yes, sir. Woo. Man, it's nice. So we go over here. He's braking. We're cruising right now. There you go, they slowed down for us. Yes! Finally! But anyways, oh, there's some S's, some snakes. See that sign? There's a bump here. Don't look at it. You cannot look at it. You gotta look ahead. You look at it. Ooh, not good. Your target fixating at that point. You just gotta go with it. You just gotta trust it. Oh, there you go. He's leaning. Your buddy's leaning up front. I ain't too much leaning. Chilling right now. We can pass it, but no. Gotta stay in the back. There you go. Hotter, 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 hotter. Hitter, hitter. Hitter. Let's get it. Hotter, 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 hitter, hitter. He's gonna here. Yeah, that's he's smoking, babe. Bye bye. Ah, this is a good time to stretch up my groin again. Ooh, it feels good. Oh shit! Look at that boat. That's a freaking farm. Look at this rock formation, bro. This thing is crazy. Oh, hold on. I don't know if we're gonna turn or not. Gotta catch up a little bit. Okay, they kept going. They kept going. They kept going. I just wanted to see. Wanted to make sure. Man, but look at this rock formation. God damn! That shit looks so good. Catching up to do here. Oh, never mind. up. Woo. Let's see. Yep, still recording. Damn, man. Look at this place. Cool. Cool. On it. We're not no freaking MotoGP over here, or Moto America, that's what they call it. I'm not gonna go because it's a blind spot. Just gotta take it easy. Okay, there's no cars, so I can go fast. I think I have to do some catching up to the S speed. Not that far away. Slow down. Looks like a Ranger. Hey, but they're baits up front though, so we're good, right? Wait, let me chasing me. It's it. That's not good. I don't know why they put this one here. Slow down. My body position usually is on the curve. Let's go, we're going slow. I'm going too slow, that's how I'm going at the inner right now. Come on. Practicing our body position over here. There you go. Yeah, the 2000's over there in the front again. It's all good, I gotta stay in the back. Just enjoying the ride.